Did you know you can use the TraceCase without a smartphone? Whether you prefer not to use a smartphone with the TraceCase app, or you can't use one, or you just want to integrate the REST API into your existing toolchain, you can access the TraceCase web interface without any additional software. And it's actually quite quick to set up, so let me show you how it's done. First of all, we want to turn on the TraceCase. The TraceCase will emit a Wi-Fi signal which we can connect to with our PC or laptop. You can also integrate the TraceCase signal into your company's Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser and enter the following IP address, which you can also find in the TraceCase operating instructions, which you can find on mycomprion.com. Immediately we can see the TraceCase battery level on the bottom right hand side, or we can get a percentage of the battery level if we go to TraceCase and then status. Select the type of antenna you're using. In this case, we're using the Type 5 antenna. Let's measure the field strength. To do so, we click on Recorder and then Measure Field Strength. When we move the antenna into the field, we get immediately signal strength readings. To check the subcarrier signal strength, let's add a card or tag to the mix. Let's start the tracing process. To do so, we're clicking the appropriate button and move the antenna and card or tag into the field. Under Live Monitor, we get the data immediately in frames and immediately see an interpretation of the data. Now, after we're done tracing, navigate to the Trace Data menu and save the trace file to your PC. From here, we can load the trace file that we just downloaded into the TraceCase viewer for further analysis. And that's already it. No extra software, easy to set up, immediate results, easy data implementation. That's the TraceCase web interface for you.